Hi, this is a quick demonstration of the audio spectrum analyzer from Practical Electronics May 2020, the PicNMix column. So, well, I think you can see it working as I'm talking, and we'll give a little whistle test. As you can see, it's quite sensitive, and with a single component change, you can make it even more sensitive. We felt that was sensitive enough because if you overdrive it, you start getting awkward harmonics. Let's give it an actual proper tone from an audio function generator. So that's a sine wave, and let's just drop the amplitude a little bit. Now if we change the frequency, so at the moment I have the span set to 5 kilohertz. You can change that up to 20 kilohertz down to 500 hertz. If we put it back at 5 kilohertz, if I change the frequency, and we'll go in 100 hertz steps, you can see it going up. Watch what happens as I keep going. You see the frequency actually appears to be going lower and lower, and that's the effect of aliasing. So the signal going over to into the ADC is not being sampled fast enough, and the waveform actually appears to be a lower frequency signal. And you can see one of the diagrams in the article which helps explain that. And I think what frequency are we at? 6.8 kilohertz. If we increase the span, we'll actually get the real signal. And there we go, drop down. And now we can tweak the frequency. So here's a bit of fun. If I go up and down in steps of 1 kilohertz, and I'm going to just increase the amplitude so that we can compensate for the poor performance of the loudspeaker, which is that thing down there. So that's nice and loud. We now change the frequency up in steps, so I'm at a 20 kilohertz span. That's now gone out of my hearing range. It's still quite strong, obviously overdriving the input. So we can drop the amplitude down a bit, but I can't hear it because I'm old. There we go. And change the frequency again. So if we go 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 19.8 kilohertz, is just out of band. But I stopped being able to hear it ages ago. And now I can just about hear it. You can guess my age from that. Thanks for watching. Cheers. Bye.